Sterilizing baby's feeding equipment. When baby is hungry, have your formula milk ready. Before preparing the formula, ensure everything is clean and sterile. Cleaning bottles and tools. Everything needed to prepare breast milk or infant formula must be thoroughly cleaned and sterile to prevent baby from getting sick. Wash hands with soap and water before starting cleaning. Next, clean work surfaces with detergent. Dismantle feeding bottle and remove teat from its screw top. Rinse away any milk residue under the tap. Clean everything with hot water and detergent. Use bottle brush to scrub both inside and outside of bottles and teats. Don't forget to clean the bottoms and corners of bottles to remove stubborn milk residue. Then rinse thoroughly under the tap. When washing bottles and teats, always check for cracks. Cracked or flawed items should be discarded immediately, as bacteria will breed in the cracks. Tools like tongs and knives must also be clean and sterile. Sterilization methods of feeding equipment. Freshly cleaned feeding bottles and tools must be sterilized. Choose the method in sterilization equipment that works best with your feeding equipment. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Recommended sterilization methods include boiling, steam, and chemical. When boil sterilizing, place all freshly cleaned feeding equipment in a large pot. Fill the pot with water until everything is fully submerged. Double-check there are no air bubbles inside bottles and teats. Cover the pot and bring the water to the boil. Boil everything for 5 to 10 minutes. Then turn off the stove and let cool inside the pot. When steam sterilizing, use hot steam from an electric or microwave steam sterilizer. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. When chemical sterilizing, soak your feeding equipment in suitable sterilizing solution. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions to ensure the sterilizing solution is the right strength before soaking items for the recommended period. Use a floating cover to ensure your equipment is fully submerged at all times. Double-check there are no air bubbles trapped inside bottles or teats. Most sterilizing solutions require changing every 24 hours. Storage of sterilized equipment. It is best to take out feeding bottles just before use. If the bottles are not used straight away, you can assemble the bottle components by using sterilized tongs. Always carefully store capped bottles to prevent contamination. Store bottles in a clean container with a lid. Then store the container in a clean area. Boil sterilized equipment must be used within 24 hours. When using other sterilization methods, always follow the manufacturer's instructions to re-sterilize and store the sterilized items properly. Once everything is clean and sterile, you're ready to prepare baby's formula. This video is produced by the Family Health Service of the Department of Health.